I just have this real big pancake craving. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some pancakes. Merry Christmas Eve, by the way. On Christmas, I don't think I'm gonna be eating no pancakes, but Christmas Eve, I guess I can. I didn't eat breakfast. I woke up kind of late. So I'm catching up with where I left off. As you can see, it says just add water, but I'm gonna be a little more nice than that and more generous and add some milk too. It should help with some fluffiness. I don't want to do tap water. I'm not a big tap fan. I like clear water. So I'll go ahead and add the clear. Mix that around. Get the stove hot. Now, I'm not trying to make a whole lot of pancakes, just a little bit to satisfy my craving. There we go. Stove is heating up. I ran out of butter, man, so I had to use a spear. Y'all should save the spears, because you never know. You just might have an emergency, like right now. See what I'm doing. Butter the pan real good. Pour the pancake in. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all probably want to see it cook. So let me just bring you over here so you can see it cook. I'm like half asleep, so y'all got to excuse me for a moment. And what you do is you wait until you see the bubbles. That's gonna be a funny looking pancake, but it'll work. Like I said, I'm half asleep, but we gonna work it out though. I promise you, we gonna work this out. I got to satisfy my craving. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a minute so I can do this properly. I'm not that much of an expert. Doesn't take long at all. This can be done very fast. That's the good thing about making pancakes. When you do it, you can do it real fast. And I just don't have the patience to wait all day. I have to do stuff fast when I'm hungry. Why I eat so much fast food? Because I just got to eat fast. Some places I walk up in there and they already know what I want. I ain't even got to say nothing. Okay, one pancake down. One to go. I guess I'll do two total. One will literally tease me to death. And I don't like to be teased. The second pancake is going to be super creamy, extra fluffy, real big. IHOP style. Andre Hop. Is Andre Hop. Come on, hurry up and cook. I don't have the patience. Okay. There we go. I might can flip it. I'm going to go ahead and take a chance. Nope, I can't flip it. It ain't ready yet. See what I'm saying? I just don't have the patience. I got to have mine now. But you don't want it to be tasting all doughy. That's not cool. It's not pizza, it's a pancake. Come on, pancake. Hurry up. Andre's hungry. I didn't do nothing yet. Come on, come on. Flip. The pancake actually has a hole in it. I'll come around and show you. That's because I wasn't patient. I wasn't patient. Lack of patience can do that. So I guess I got a holy pancake. Listen, when it says just add water, it means just add water. They're not just saying that to be nice, to save you some money on buying milk, but they mean what they mean. Now, I added milk to the pancake that said just add water, and look what happened. There's a reason why it says just add water. Now, I thought that I was going to do something spectacular and make it extra fluffy or something and tell everybody, like, yo, this is the new thing. Add milk to the one that says just add water and it makes it extra fluffy. But that's not what it does. It make it real hard to flip. And now I'm in trouble. I also ran out of syrup, but just like I had a spare butter, you know I got a spare syrup. I don't play that. Always keep a spare. This is terrible. After all of that, I still can't even eat it. Because look what happened. I thought I was going to be slick and use the McDonald's syrup, but I think they know that some people like to keep spares. So I opened it, and look, the thing is like, it's weird. It's like some kind of glue. Look at this. Even the thing that it comes in is all crazy. It's like jelly. I didn't know syrup turns to jelly. But I can't even eat it, man. I can't even eat it. What am I do? You know what? I got an idea. I just use jelly. Peace.